Now, WMBF News First Alert meteorologist Andy Stein.
I was just saying it's a phenomenal shot as we look over, because usually the fog is so thick that the sky cam is actually embedded within the fog, but we're sitting above that fog level right now, so you can see exactly where that fog starts and where it is. It's hugging the ground right now. So although it looks clear at the sky cam as you head out on the roadways, you're going to encounter some issues, especially from Myrtle Beach down towards Murrells Inlet and out towards Conway. That's where the thickest fog is. Now a live look over the beach as that sun starts to come up. This is what we have in store for today. Absolutely gorgeous conditions setting up. Alrighty, and right now I'm in the First Alert Weather Center. We are tracking a cold front moving into the area. This cold up into the Midwest is going to be funneling into our area. The temperatures that you need to know and that you need to dress for, and everything that you need to know for the week ahead, is coming up right on the other side of the break. We have a branch, a very thick branch, knocked over completely over the road on US 74 here. They just actually cleaned up the road. You can see the tractor behind me. They're getting the road cleared and good to go. In the next 5 minutes, I'll say this will be reopened. Now, I want to point out, look at this branch. You can see the ice is actually clinging to everything and anything that it can. And with this ice connecting to everything and the wind blowing the way that it's blowing, that's why we actually have seen this tree blow down, because the ice is about 1/10 of an inch thick everywhere. And also notice, hey, good morning. Yeah, a lot of activities going on this weekend, and we are starting things off on a gorgeous note. Take a look outside right now using our Sea Captain's House Live Skycam. Plenty of clear skies to go around. That sunshine going to be in full force today. Temperatures as you walk outside, still a little on the cool side. Today is going to be an absolutely gorgeous day at the beaches. Plenty of sunshine, a light wind, and really that's all we have to worry about. But
well,
do you like to garden?
Garden? No, I'm actually not that good at it.
Not a gardener, huh? Well, I know a lot of people are gardeners, and I just found out, this is kind of strange, it's World Naked Gardening Day.
That's a day?
It's a thing, you know. I wanted to see your reaction because I was over there while you were reading, and I was like, what? What day is it? So I guess
if anyone would like to participate, great
keep
weather.
it to yourself. And make sure you put the sunscreen on today in, I guess, those unusual places, because we are going to be dealing with some pretty sunny skies today. Now, 18 hours ago, that's all it was when she had 200-mile-per-hour sustained winds. She was gusting almost to 250 miles per hour. I'm not going to be surprised if a few of your backyard thermometers hit that 90-degree mark tomorrow, because it is going to really be warming up. Now, we do have that low pressure that's been bringing us some rain the past couple of days exiting, and over the next few days we're going to start to watch this cold front drape down into the Carolinas, but it's not going to make it into our area. New update in, we did cut off the western edge of that tornado warning, so Lumberton, you are not included in this anymore. What we can tell you is this is heading east at about 50 miles per hour. It is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. You do not need to wait till you hear or see the tornado for your protection. Move into an interior room on the lowest level of your home or business. I'm going to read out some cities that could be affected by this. You know, we've actually been watching the water inch up ever so slowly as we have been here this morning for just about over an hour and a half now. Now, this cone right behind me, I was talking to a police officer earlier, and they marked that part of the road at 11 p.m. last night. That's where the water level was. Now, as you can see, it's actually about 6 feet higher than that. Now, the water has only risen about 3 inches since that point, and I'm standing at that dry line right now, and we're expecting to see this water level continue to rise about another 6 inches throughout the day today, and by that point the water levels could get all the way up another 5 or 6 feet, swelling the banks of the Waccamaw River ever so more. So Sunday right around 5 a.m. check it out, King Street, look at that fuchsia color down towards Georgetown, Murrells Inlet. Also the border belt picking up on some of that rain, but this plume, this is what we're going to be watching over the next 24 hours. Notice how it continues to the north. Sunday 8 a.m. Myrtle Beach, Conway, Marion, Florence starting to get in on that action, continuing all the way until 10 a.m. continuing to push further north. So Conway, Myrtle Beach, North Myrtle Beach over towards Marion, some very heavy rain, and all the way through 4 p.m. This line does not move whatsoever. So this is where we're going to be picking up the bulk of that rain. Tropical Storm Bonnie, just a little bit, now up to a sustained wind right at 45 miles per hour. Now, the bulk of the convection, the bulk of the thunderstorm activity still well off to the north and west of the actual center of circulation. So the center is actually exposed, not good for tropical storm development. Good news for us.
Meteorologist Andy Stein.